Welcome students of class 7. I am Reema ma'am. Welcome all of you in the new academic session 2021. Students, today I am here to teach you English literature. So we begin our lesson with the poem that is The Schoolboy, written by William Blake. Now students, this schoolboy is basically a poem based on the school life of the children. It is basically written on you people only. Now, it is often said that school days are some of the best times of person's life, but they are also moments when a child wants to spend the day playing instead of poring over the books in the classroom. So you know very well that many of you don't want to study, but every time you want to play. So basically, if we go with this poem, it is totally mentioned on the school children how they really want to bunk their classes instead of studying in the classes. Now, children, you have already have additional information on the PPT. It is about William Blake's work, what kind of a poem it is, and what all rhymes we have used in the poem. So, you can go through on the PPT and we begin with the summary of the school boy. The schoolboy is written in a the speaker of the poem is a young boy who is at the school in the summer. He can't focus in the class because he wants so badly to play outside and enjoy the weather. He feels like a caged bird trapped in a cage. Towards the poem's end, the boy wonders how children can grow and thrive if they are not allowed to enjoy the summer. Now, over here, the schoolboy poem is written in a pastoral tradition that focuses on the downside of the formal learning. It considers how going to the school on summer day drives all the joys away. The boy in the poem is more interested in escaping his classrooms than he is with any his teacher is trying to teach. In the line 16 to 20, a child in the school is compared to a bird in a cage, meaning something that was born to be free and in nature, instead trapped inside and made to be obedient. Now students, I give you the description of the poem stanza wise. Although you will see that on the PPT, lines of the poems as well as the summary of the poem is written under each stanza. So let me brief out all the stanzas in a very simple manner. In the first stanza, the poet describes the delight of waking up the word singing, and what a marvelous way this is to start the day. In the second stanza, however, contrast with the verse one by describing how worries the school boy is to be at school and how thoughts this stop his happiness immediately. That means in the second stanza, he really doesn't want to go to the school. In the third stanza, he describes school how when homeschooled you can't sit happily and read. At school there is no freedom. You will learn what you are told to learn. Nothing more, nothing less. School cannot delight him. Fourth stanza, good boys at school to a bird cage, its potential is restrained. Over here he is comparing himself with a caged bird and he is caged in the school. In the fifth stanza, shows how people are dismayed at school and how students are stripped of their joy. And in the final stanza, that is the sixth stanza, describes how school can never be fun, but it is like a cold winter day blasting through the warm summer. In the last two stanzas, Blake makes a heartfelt plea to the parents using an extended metaphor of the natural cycles of life. In the world of nature, a bird growing into flowering tree that will bear fruits as it matures. Blake references the season, describing how an autumn harvest of fruit sustains life through the harsh winter. In this way, he is illustrating how happy childhood spent learning from the natural world will reap the benefit of the wise and fruitful old age. Sending children to school interferes with the natural cycle and results in the lifetime of unhappiness with no chances of cultivating wisdom. Now, children, we come to the theme and the critical analysis. Though it is not mentioned on the PPT, but I'm giving out a brief reading of the critical analysis. This poem highlights Blake's affinity for alternative methods of education, consistently repeated in the draining element of the schoolroom education and how it causes students to contribute poor learning and retention for the students. Blake instead promotes learning outside the classroom, especially he believes spontaneous and natural creativity flourishes. Furthermore, this desire to remove oneself from the classroom. So students, this is all what is there in the schoolboy poem. Now over here, basically it is about a child who really don't want to go in the classroom and study, and the teachers are forcing them to study. So he doesn't want to stay in the classroom. He just want to come out of the classroom and learn from the nature. So overall, the poet says that whatever we learn from the nature builds a very confident child in future. So this is all about in the poem Schoolboy. I hope you must have liked the poem, and with this I end up my poem. Thank you.